Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can create a recurring task on Grok AI really quickly and without any advanced technical skills whatsoever. So let us get you through this and show you how to set up such a recurring task. So what you want to do is head over to grok.com, log into your account of course, and here on the left panel you will see some of these features like a new chat, for example, or using the voice feature, the search feature. And what you want to do as well, guys, is for instance create a task. To do that, click on tasks here or click directly on the plus icon to create a completely new task, and that is going to redirect you to that setup or customization window here. So give your task a name, like, I don't know, for example, weather forecast UK or something like that. And after that, below, set the frequency. So if that's a recurring task, guys, don't leave it at once because that would be a one-time task. So choose either a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, depending on your task frequency or recurring basis. And after that, let me go, for example, with a weekly or recurring weekly task. And after that, set your recurring date below, like, for example, the time of the day. Let me go with, I don't know, let's say, for instance, 8 a.m. Confirm by clicking OK here. You may reset that clock as well here. Then set the day of the week. Let's leave it at Monday, for example. And last but not least, provide Grok with all the essential and relevant information here by typing in your prompt. So let me copy and paste the prompt like that here. Please provide me with a weather forecast for Southern UK for the entire week on every Monday. Here should be an on, sorry for the typo, on every Monday, 8 a.m. Central European Standard Time. You may, for example, use deep search for that, or if you have access to the premium subscription here on Grok AI, you may also use the extended or deeper search. So once it's done, guys, you may confirm by clicking on Create Task here. Bear in mind, though, that you will have up to 10 occasional tasks remaining, or a maximum of 10 occasional tasks to set up. So currently there are 0 of these tasks active. So if I click on Create Task here, the first spot will be used. So let me do that really quickly and click on Create Task here, and the task has been created. So click on See Task here at the top, and that is going to give you a summary of that task here. So you may switch between your tasks listed here on the left hand side or create a new one. And that's it, guys. After that, Grok AI will provide you with a task result on the given date on a recurring basis, which in this case here Mondays would be Mondays at 8 a.m. You may use, for example, that feature here to test if Grok will conduct a given task. And as you can see, the task result will be given to you just in a moment below. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and see you next time.